Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change default locations on Craigslist. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who may have moved, or maybe you're currently traveling and you want to see a different listings from Craigslist. How do you actually go ahead and change your default location? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to click on account located on the bottom right hand corner. Next, you're going to click on default location. Now, once you click on this, you'll be able to enter a city or zip code and then click on choose this location. So simply just enter your city or zip code and that should change your default location while you're using Craigslist. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your default location on Craigslist. Just make sure that if you are traveling and you return back home, that you change your default location again back to your home setting. Now, if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.